All right, tool number 9, and this is really just a final thought. But remember that betrayal is a part of life, and it can often be repaired, or at least forgiven. Betrayal is a part of life. It's something that hurts us deeply because we gave something to someone and they used it to stab us in the back. It is really painful to be betrayed. So many people avoid trusting others after they've been severely betrayed. I'm not a therapist, and I can't tell you how to react to betrayal in the particular circumstances in which it occurred. But many therapists do great work in helping people learn to trust again. And if you have trust issues, it would be good to seek out a mental health professional who specializes in that area. All I really want to say here is that trust is extremely valuable. Even in a purely selfish frame of mind, it's clear that you will not get everything out of life that you want if you don't trust other people, at least some of the time. Transactions of all kinds require some level of trust. And not only that, but to accomplish great things, or really anything, for example, building a company, becoming a successful artist, or learning anything at all, you have to place some trust in other people some of the time. And that means that you will sometimes have to risk being betrayed, and you will sometimes actually be betrayed. As Sam Vaknin has pointed out, most betrayals aren't all that bad, and few are so egregious that they cannot be reconciled at some point. He's also said that we tend to self-aggrandize when it comes to betrayal. We make mountains out of molehills of broken trust. And finally, Vaknin has said that by refusing to trust anyone because we fear being betrayed again, we, quote, perpetuate the abuse long after the abuser is gone. So trust is necessary and highly beneficial in many, if not most cases. It is the lifeblood of successful economies and institutions of all kinds. It is the bedrock of happy relationships, and it is the way that we move civilization forward toward less violence and greater prosperity for all human beings, now and in the future.